welcome back to my channel Kevin Plays One, and today I'll show you how to make dalgona coffee or whipped coffee. So hope you enjoy the video. Subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends or family. And without any further ado, let's go into the video.